Hello everyone and welcome back in a new video. In this video, we will talk about FIDIC contracts which are used all over the world in construction and engineering projects. So we will learn what FIDIC is, what is the red, yellow and silver books mean, and how extension of time works under each of them. Okay, so let's start. First, what is FIDIC? FIDIC means the International Federation of Consulting Engineers. It provides standard contracts of construction and engineering projects. Here you can see internationally recognized standard contract framework. Okay, so these contracts are used globally because they help both sides, to the employer and the contractor, and it is also very useful because in the FIDIC share risk fairly. Okay, so many governments, banks, and arbitration centers accept FIDIC because it makes things clear and transparent. So, in short, you can say FIDIC helps everyone follow the same fair set of rules. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So, first we have here the FIDIC Red Book. Here you can see I have mentioned here. Red Book is for the construction contract. Okay, so this is used for construction works where the employer provides the design and the contractor does the work. Okay, so the payment is usually based on measurement or bill of quantities. For EOT, I mean extension of time, the Red Book allows the contractor to ask for more time if there are instructions or delay caused by the employer or unforeseen events that the contractor cannot control. So, Red Book gives more flexibility for EOT claims. Okay, so next we have here FIDIC Yellow Book. In bracket, you can say plant and design build contract. Okay, so the Yellow Book is for design and build projects. That means the contractor design the project and also build it. Here is the contractor has, you can say, more responsibility because they are in charge of both design and construction. And payment is usually a lump sum, which means a fixed amount. So EOT can be claimed if the delay happened due to change order by the employer, late approval, or delays in the engineer's duties. So EOT is still possible, but with less flexibility than in the Red Book. Okay. Okay. So next we have FIDIC Silver Book. So the Silver Book is used for EPC or turnkey projects. That means engineering, procurement, and construction, all done by the contractor. Okay. So here the contractor takes almost all the risk because they are responsible for everything like design, material, and final delivery. So the contract prices and time are usually, you can say, fixed. So EOT in the Silver Book is very limited. Extra time is only given in special cause like force measures, for example, war or natural disasters, or you can say employers' delays. So this book gives the least EOT flexibility, and you can say most is to the contractors. Okay. Okay. So here we have the comparison. Among the red, yellow, and silver books. So here you can see first column we have here features red book, yellow book, and silver book. So first design responsibility in a red book employer, then in a yellow book contractor, in silver book contractor as well. So payment basis or remeasurement, lump sum again. Risk allocation, balance. In the red book, yellow book, you can see moderate contract risk, then in the silver, high contract risk. EOT flexibility, both broad, moderate, and very limited. So as we move from red to yellow to silver, the contractor takes more risk and EOT flexibility decreases. Okay, so I hope comparison is clear. Okay, so next we have EOT extension of time clauses in FIDIC. So the main purpose of EOT is to protect the contractor from being punished for delays that are not their fault. So some common reasons for the EOT are, you can say I have mentioned here, variations ordered by employer, late drawings approvals from employer, unforeseen site conditions, and force measures. Okay, so but remember, the contractor must give notice on time and show proof of delay. Otherwise, the claim can be rejected. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Here we have the importance of EOT clauses. So EOT clauses are important because they keep things fair and clear. They make sure the contractor is not punished for delay beyond their control, and the employer knows what happening and why, and both sides follow a clear process for claiming and reviewing the delays. Okay, so this helps to avoid disputes and keep the project running smoothly. Okay, so next we have here the example, case example project under FIDIC Yellow Book. So employer delayed approval of design design drawings. Okay, so then contractor submitted EOT claim with the notice and evidence. The engineer granted additional time, preventing unjust penalties. So in project under the Yellow Book, the employer delayed the approval of design drawings. So the contractor immediately sent a notice, keep all the records, and later submitted a proper EOT claim. So after checking everything, the engineer approved more time, and the contractor avoided liquidity damages. So this example shows why giving timely notice and proper records is so important under FIDIC. Okay. So next we have key takeaways. Okay, so now let's take the quickly review. Okay, you can see red book. Red book, employer design more EOT flexibility. Then yellow book, contractor design moderate EOT flexibility. Then silver book, contractor takes full risk, very limited EOT. So EOT classes are about fairness, protection, and good communication. So they help both sides manage delays in a clear and professional way. Okay. So I hope everything is clear related to the FIDIC. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.